Okay, so this one says consider the function g where f is the parent sine function. How will the graph of function g differ from the graph of function f? So we got to look at this right here. A is the amplitude, B is the period, C is the horizontal shift, and D is the vertical shift. And the period is 2 pi over B. So what it looks like they have here, in other words, C equals pi over 3. Well, that's the horizontal shift. And since it's positive, it's going to be pi. Wow, that doesn't look good. It's going to be pi over 3 units to the right. So I think that's option D. That's it. There was no change in A. There was no change in B. It's just C. C is the only thing that changed. Because g of x, so let me explain this. F of x is equal to sine of x. And so g of x is equal to f of x minus, let me write it this way, f of x minus pi over 3. So what that means is wherever there's an x, I'm going to now plug in x minus pi over 3. In other words, g of x is equal to sine of x. Man, my tablet's got like a dead zone or something. Like, I think I need to clean it off. Minus pi over 3. And that's where I get this c is equal to pi over 3.